Swan song for Sega's home console market, the Dreamcast has had a lot of love post its discontinuation. A number of mods have been made for this system from power supplies, ODEs, Bluetooth, and firmware. Hi, my name is Pedro, and today I'll show you how to install the gamer's Antiquity USB C Mod for the Dream PSU. This mod replaces the barrel jack for the Dream PSU and requires a little solder work to do the installation. It utilizes the power delivery protocol to deliver the correct amount of voltage and current for the console. Make sure that the USB-C adapter that you would use supports power delivery and can supply 12 volts to 3.5 amps. This kit also includes the heatshrink tubing for the installation. Click the link below to check out my shop at renewedgamingrelics.com for this as well as other USB-C mods, consoles I have available, and modification services. Let's install the gamer's Antiquity USB-C power mod for the Dreamcast. Cut away the barrel jack end of the power connector for the Dream PSU, leaving most of the length intact. Cut away about 3/4 inch length of insulation from the power and ground cables for the USB-C mod and the power connector. Slip on the heatshrink tubing over one set of the power and ground cables as shown. Then, splice the red power cables together as well as the black ground cables together. Solder both splices, being sure to keep the iron on them long enough so that the heat travels through to allow the solder to flow properly for a solid weld. Slide the heatshrink tubing over the welds and heat them up with some hot air. Let's test our work. Installation of the Dream PSU is very simple. Take off the top cover after removing the 4 bottom screws. Then, unscrew the screws holding the power supply in place and unplug the power switch. Insert the Dream PSU on top of the pins, fit the USB-C port at the end, and secure it with a screw, tucking in any excess cables as you go. Close up the unit and we're ready to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Again, to check out this and other mods, consoles, and modification services, visit renewedgamingrelics.com, links in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.
Get ready.